Hey, this is Ryan Hildreth, and I want to welcome you to this free training where I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making $200 to $500 per day from my passive Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investments. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, how to get involved and why you should get involved. So let's talk about that first. What is Bitcoin and why should you get involved? So Bitcoin is a digital currency. Okay, it's a decentralized currency, meaning no bank has to validate our transactions, right? I could send you Bitcoin, you can send me Bitcoin, and no third party has to validate that transaction. Okay, so it's an easy way to exchange currency in Bitcoin, right? So it's decentralized, it's digital, and it's incentivized. Okay, and what does that mean? So when I send you Bitcoin or you send me Bitcoin, there are what is called miners validating those transactions. And these miners are computers, okay? It could be your computer, could be mine. And basically what Bitcoin does, what the Bitcoin network does, is it pays out these miners, these computers, for validating transactions. So it's incentivized. It's paying them out in Bitcoin. And I currently mine right now, and I'm getting paid in Bitcoin every single day. So, it's an incentivized currency and it's a scarce asset. And what's the importance of that? Well, there's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin ever mined, in the internet. So basically, by 2140, the last Bitcoin will be mined, and the 21 millionth Bitcoin will be mined. And basically, since it's a scarce currency, there's only a certain number of Bitcoin. As the demand goes up, the price goes up as well, right? And this differs from any other currency, right? It differs from the US dollar because, the Federal Reserve could just print out more money. So basically, it's incentivized. There's a high demand right now, and there's a limited supply. So think of it as online gold, right? It has to be mined. People get paid out for mining the Bitcoin, and there will only ever be so much Bitcoin ever released, 21 million coins in all. So you should definitely get involved because as we are looking at right now, this is Coinbase. This is an exchange where you can exchange your US dollars into Bitcoin. And I'm going to include the steps of how to do this and all the links down below. Okay, you can use the Coinbase link down below to exchange your dollars into Bitcoin. If you were to have invested $100 into Bitcoin in 2010, that would have been a $4.5 million return. Okay, your $100 would be $4.5 million right now as we speak. So there's definitely a huge possibility for ROI, return on investment, but it's never too late. We're still in the infancy stage of Bitcoin. It's not widely adopted yet. And just imagine when Bitcoin takes up 2 to 3% of the $1 trillion currency market, Bitcoin could be priced anywhere from $100,000 to possibly $1 million. But right now, the Bitcoin price is $4,347 per Bitcoin. Okay. And in this last year, the price has gone up 610%. So for you just investing $100 into Bitcoin, your $100 investment would be $700 as of right now for doing completely nothing but just investing in Bitcoin. And the possibilities are endless. I see Bitcoin going up to 8,000 by the end of the year, and it's just a great opportunity. It's a great asset to hold. So this is how you get involved. Let's get started with step number 1. Okay, you don't want to miss out on these gains. So basically, what you need to do is go set up your Coinbase account. Okay, you're gonna click that link down below, your Coinbase link, and you're gonna come to this dashboard. It's gonna ask for your email and just everything to get set up on Coinbase, which is an exchange. Then you're gonna go to buy and sell. Okay, and when you go to buy and sell, it's gonna have your payment method. Okay, you're gonna have to set up a payment method. I just set up my bank account because when you set up a bank account, you're gonna be able to buy your Bitcoin today. You will get your Bitcoin maybe in 5 to 7 days, so it takes some time to get your actual Bitcoin, but you can purchase it today when you hook up a bank account, and your limits will be anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. But if you decide to purchase your Bitcoin with a credit card today, if you want to hook up your credit card to Coinbase, then you will have a smaller limit. I think you could only purchase like $250 worth of Bitcoin today. So if you want to set up your bank account to the exchange, I recommend that. You're going to have a higher limit so you can buy more Bitcoin today, and it's much easier just to transfer back and forth from your checking account, from your bank account to Coinbase, which is an exchange. So once you have your bank account or your credit card hooked up to Coinbase, you're going to select that payment method, and you're going to go right here where you can purchase in any amount of Bitcoin you want. So if you want to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, you're going to press 100, and it's going to pull up how much Bitcoin you're buying, and then you're just going to press this little button right here. Let me move this out of the way. You're going to press this little button right here that says buy Bitcoin, okay? And once you do that, you're going to be able to, your Bitcoin's going to arrive maybe in a day, maybe today, or maybe in 5 to 7 days. For me, it took a little bit longer on Coinbase, but that's going to arrive, and it's going to say right here in your recent activity, okay? And then once you buy your Bitcoin, you have it locked in at that price. It just takes a little bit for Coinbase to send it to you, and you can view your accounts right here if you click that. And basically what you're going to see is your Bitcoin wallet, and it's going to show you exactly how much Bitcoin you bought, and you are free to send it anywhere you want, okay? So basically, getting involved with Bitcoin, you're going to make an ROI. You're going to make a return on your investment because the price of Bitcoin it's going up, okay? So that could be a safer route. You can obviously make money with Bitcoin going up, but you have to hold it, right? You have to just hold it and let it do its thing. It fluctuates up and down. There's volatility. But if you want to take a little bit of that Bitcoin and lend it out, right? You're able to lend it out on this platform where they're going to trade your Bitcoin, make a profit, and they're going to pay you a small percentage of that profit, usually 1 to 2% of your investment every single day. Okay, I'm making 1 to 2% per day on my investment on this platform called BitConnect, and I'm going to show you that right now. So basically what I'm doing is let's go to BitConnect, and you can see my lending wallet. Like as of today, I've made $164, and I haven't even been paid out on all my loans today. I've joined this platform on September 1st of 2017, so that's about 35 days ago. Okay, and in 35 days, I have made $12,602 on my $10,000 investment. Okay, and I started out with a small loan. Not too small, but just $1,000 loan is what I started with. If we go down here and I show you the whole page, I can prove to you on September 1st, I made a $1,220 loan, and then every single day since then, and it's been 35 days, I've been reinvesting my profits, my daily payouts. So now my total investment is $10,120, okay? And I've earned over 100% on my money, just from daily payouts and from BitConnect's referral system. And I'll click on this, and you can see my total lending profit. So I've made about 14% from my daily payouts in 1 month, okay? The S&P 500 in a year has averaged out 7% returns, and I've made double that in 1 month on BitConnect. So that's why I love this platform, and they have a referral program. So if you share with your friends, your family, and they lend out their Bitcoin on BitConnect, you're going to get a small commission, a 7% commission for everything that they loan out. So it's just a nice platform, and this is kind of where I'm placing my Bitcoin. So basically what you're doing is you're going to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase, okay, from Coinbase onto BitConnect. It's going to come in this Bitcoin wallet. You're going to exchange it into BitConnect token. This is an alternative currency, okay, what's also called an altcoin. And this is a different cryptocurrency, but basically you exchange your Bitcoin into BitConnect, and then you lend it out to their volatility trading bot, okay? And this is an algorithm. This is a computer that's trading high frequency, okay? It's trading, hundreds of trades per second, and it's making money, trading the Bitcoin market, and it's going to pay you out, a hefty profit every single day. And you could lend anywhere from $100 to, over 100,000, and you're going to get, your capital back. Okay. So if I lend out $100, I'm going to get paid out 1% to 2% every single day on that $100. And I'm going to get that $100 back in 299 days. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by, let's just say you did a $500 investment. Okay. And the term length is going to be 299 days. You're going to get your money back. We're going to calculate this. Your $500 investment today, with an average of the 30-day average has been 0.94%, so almost 1%. Your profit's going to be $1,405 for letting your money sit, right? You're just letting them trade your money, and you're going to make $1,405 with an ROI of 281% after 299 days when they give you your $100 back, and they're paying you out daily. So it almost seems too good to be true, right? What is the risks with BitConnect? This seems like a too good to be true platform, okay? I'm going to talk about the risks before we get into step-by-step exactly how to go about this, okay? So the risks of BitConnect is, if BitConnect shuts down, their website shuts down, you might not be able to get your money back. Is it a Ponzi scheme? Maybe, but I'm going to show you why I don't think it is. There's been a lot of people saying, oh, this is a Ponzi scheme. Oh, it's risky. Of course, you are taking a risk with BitConnect, but obviously, as you can see, I have $10,000 invested. If we go to my referral team, I have 139 members that are making daily payouts, that are lending their Bitcoin on this platform that are getting daily payouts, okay? 139 members. And, so what are the risks? Obviously, it's, there are risks involved. If the website shuts down, then you have to worry about that. But I'm going to show you why I don't believe there's too much risk with this platform. If we look at the coinmarketcap.com, okay, this is the market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's number one at $72 billion. BitConnect is actually the 12th largest cryptocurrency on the market, okay? Almost $1 billion market cap, $963 million market cap, okay? And just a month ago, in August, before I lended, 1 month before I lended, BitConnect went through one of the biggest, problems that it had. People were able to take out more money from their wallets than they actually had in there, and the website did shut down for about 4 days. And this was before I invested in BitConnect. So I was very skeptical. I was like, if they don't make it through this, then there is no trust in this platform. It's obviously a scheme or some type of scam, and I'm definitely not going to trust it. But what they did was they figured out the problem. They got those members that took too much Bitcoin out to give it back to the platform, and they solved this problem. And ever since then, the market cap for this coin has gone up significantly because that trust was there. It's almost $1 billion market cap. There's almost $1 billion on this platform that people have trusted in this platform and given their coin. So that's why I trust this platform. They made it through that big problem, and they communicated with their investors. They emailed everyone and gave everyone daily updates on what was going on, and they solved that. And that was one of the biggest turning points for me. So that's why I choose to invest on BitConnect, and if you choose to as well, I'm going to show you how right now. So how do we start lending on BitConnect and get daily payouts? And I'm going to show you my lending wallet, what those payouts look like, okay? These are all interest being paid, 1%, 1%, some down here, 1.5%. All of these, $20 to $30 payouts are daily, okay, on every loan that I've ever lended out, okay? So how do we get involved? Step number one, you're going to go to Coinbase. You're going to buy your Bitcoin where I showed you. You go to buy and sell, okay? Buy your Bitcoin. and you're gonna it's gonna it's gonna come to your dashboard. All right. So now, how do we send it over to BitConnect? We have our Bitcoin. How do we send it over? We're gonna go to accounts. Let's go to BitConnect. We're gonna go to, we have to receive our Bitcoin. Okay, so our Bitcoin has to land in our wallet on BitConnect, and we're gonna go to deposit Bitcoin. You're gonna copy paste this address. Okay, copy paste that, because that's gonna be your receiving Bitcoin address, and that's gonna be this wallet right here. So copy paste this, and I want you to paste it right over here. So we're gonna send our Bitcoin, right, or $100 of Bitcoin over to BitConnect. We're gonna go here, and we're gonna basically copy paste that address into the recipient part right here. Okay, again, go back here, deposit Bitcoin, copy paste this. Okay, go over to Coinbase and go to your wallet, go to accounts, then you're gonna see your Bitcoin wallet, press send, and we're gonna copy paste that address into the recipient. And then basically you put the amount. Okay, if you want to put $100, and let's just put 95 because that's how much I have in there. And then you're going to press continue and send, and it's going to go over to your BitConnect wallet. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes. It takes some time to go over there. Okay, so once you have Bitcoin in your wallet, right? Once you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you're going to press exchange. Okay, because now we have to exchange it into BitConnect. So exchange it. You're going to come down here. You're going to say buy BitConnect coin. Okay, buy BCC, and you're going to put in how much BitConnect coin you want to buy. I would just press all, because you're going to want to lend that all out. So just press all, and then if you want it right now, hit ask, because you're going to buy the you're basically going to buy the offer price. Hit ask and then buy BitConnect coin. And once you do that, your order will be right here. Okay, my open orders. It might take 5 to 10 minutes to fill the order. If it doesn't, just redo it, cancel the order, and redo this again. And basically, you're going to go to your dashboard, and you're going to have that Bitcoin is going to be exchanged into BitConnect coin. Okay, now we can lend it out. So if we go to lend BitConnect right here, you're going to type in the amount in dollars, right? So if I put in 100, and this is going to show the BitConnect amount, right, is 0.7. Just make sure that it matches up with this. So like, I think I have almost $1,000 in there. 7.16. Yeah, I have almost $1,000 in my wallet. So that's about the same. And you're just gonna agree. Obviously read the terms of use. Check this after you read it, and then pay from BitConnect wallet. And boom, you are done. You have lended out on BitConnect. And once you have lent your whatever amount you have, you're going to be paid out every single day, and your payouts are going to come to this lending wallet. Okay, and then basically, if you want to exchange that back into US dollar, you have to transfer it into BitConnect coin, exchange it into Bitcoin, and then send it back to Coinbase. Right, you're going to press this receive button, send it back to Coinbase, and basically exchange it back to US dollars. So let's run through this one more time really quickly. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to buy your Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin, go to your accounts, press send your Bitcoin, copy, and then go to BitConnect, your BitConnect platform, which I'm going to include the link down below. Use my link. And then what you're going to do is deposit Bitcoin. You're going to copy paste this into the recipient over here, okay, and press send. And then basically that Bitcoin is going to be sent from Coinbase over to BitConnect in your Bitcoin wallet. Then you exchange it into BitConnect coin. Then you lend it out. And that's it. That's simple. So if you want to start making, anywhere from $200 to $500 a day like myself, I recommend buying some Bitcoin and lending it out on BitConnect using my link. So I'm going to include that down below. And then once you join my team, once you join my referral team, I want you to I'm going to include the Facebook group that I made for my team. Okay, I made a Facebook group for everyone to interact and share with each other what they're doing with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and kind of collaborate. Okay, so join the Facebook group. I'm going to also include that link down below, and you're going to have to answer 3 questions. Okay, it's going to ask you who is your sponsor, okay, and what's the username of your sponsor, and hopefully that's me, because that's the only way you're going to get into the Facebook group. Then it's going to ask you how much are you lending on BitConnect, and are you lending on BitConnect, and then what is your username on BitConnect. And once you answer those 3 questions, I'm going to make sure that that you're lending out, you're on my team, my referral team, and then I'll add you to the group. And that's about it. So I'm excited for you to start making money on BitConnect and through Bitcoin. Obviously there are some risks that we talked about. So definitely hold some Bitcoin, just the coin, and then, lend out whatever you're comfortable with on BitConnect. Okay. So I look forward to you being on the team, and I'll see you in the private Facebook group. Take care.